If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
All right, sorry for the introduction. Now, what if I told you that there's a way that you can trade with very low risk and we trade patterns? What if I'm searching for a pattern and I tell you to trade a pattern like this was Kishu that we trade actually? And then I give you some very quick updates in a very simple place, in one place at all. And these quick updates can help you to trade with me, okay? Whenever I trade, you trade with me. And I use my experience and my best knowledge, which you have been looking at. And you get to do the same with proper money management. And you get more chances of winning, which actually give you more guidance. And you don't have to be worried about your daily routine. It doesn't actually get disturbed. Now all you have to do is just come down to the description of the video, scroll down, go to the signals agreement. You see this video and you agree to the agreement. It's a very simple, very straightforward agreement, nothing big. And then you click on Discord and you join the Discord. Now once you have joined the Discord, all you have to do is go to the announcement tab and click on my name, Adam Coins, and all you do is you can click on message and you message me if you want to join and you're interested. So the entries do close by the end of the month. Not too much time there. Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to Luna Classic video update today. So this accumulation thing, distribution, what's going on, logically wise for Luna Classic, it's still there. But let me tell you some few things that can happen. And there's a comparison I saw with Sand. I was actually doing a private analysis and I saw Sand. And that reminded me that, oh, Luna Classic is doing pretty much maybe the same thing. So the comparison is not good. The comparison comes in as something more negative comments about it. So here we go. I told you previously, there's one video when I talked about the ant and being attracted to light or fire. And I told you, if you have an inverse head and shoulder, it's a bullish pattern. It does even make sense after such a long downtrend. You even try to break it out. They went down, they gave you the perfect retest to the morning star. And this was so frustrating that still they managed to do the manipulation. And ever since this thing happened, went to the downside, I've been outside of the trade. I haven't really traded except for the long-term bags that we've been talking about. That's something else. Now let's go back to Sand, and on the daily time frame I'm going to show you Sand and what Sand is probably doing. If you look at Sand, I'm going to remove some of the drawings. Look at Sand. Okay, what did Sand do? Sand went down, bloodbath. Actually, let's do this even better, because if you talk about downtrends, then look how down you are. That was 91% down, okay, back from November 2021 all the way to June 2022. That is 91% down. And then you finally make this inverse head and shoulder, just the same way as Luna Classic did. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. But what good is it? What good is it of a inverse head and shoulder if you're making fake outs, if you're not going to break and retest? People, this is the difference between a professional and a beginner. And that's why when I try to convince you to be a part of my own private trading group. Yeah, it costs something, but it's not even too much to break your bank, but you get a full guidance on that. And this one here, a lot of people wanted to trade Sand back in the days, but I remained with the fact that, okay, let it break and go up. SHIB did break up. I'm going to show you SHIB. Comparing Sand and SHIB had the same thing. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Difference is SHIB went up, but Sand didn't go up. So it means just because you have inverse head and shoulder, it doesn't mean you're going to go up, right? And from there, the downtrend still continued all the way down and down and down. And you can see that it still kept on moving to the downside. Same goes for Luna Classic, and this is why I always say keep an open mind. Some people just want to say, okay, fine, this is the left shoulder, head, right shoulder, that's it, we want to trade. Even I'm the one who's saying that, yeah, it should be an inverse head and shoulder. But ever since this retest failed, look, this is a retest that was pretty much a confirmation with the morning star, but it got invalidated that is shady, that is wrong, that shouldn't have happened. As a matter of fact, if we go back in time, this bullshit shouldn't have never ever happened in the beginning to start with. It should have been from here when you made this retest, you push it to the technical target. But if they didn't do that, I don't even think they want to push it back up. They could even just continue going lower. And I told you about the monthly time frame. Be careful of a bear flag on a monthly, because if you make a bear flag on a monthly, you're looking for more bigger blood and more technical targets. And I want to tell you that technical target could be down to 7,000 and 8,000 ranges. Down, come down like this, bear flag, boom, push down all the way to 6,000-7,000 area, which again, if you have a trader mindset, you're just going to tell yourself, yeah, this is another discount, and maybe try to buy another discount down there, maybe in the future try to go back up. So for me, whatever happens. I'm not really bothered about anything. I have so many things to trade, so many things to look at. But this is everything that I want you to know. However, instead of being negative, the positive side of it is that if they still decide that, okay, let's push it back up and do another retest and finally try to break it out, fine, good, amazing, then they're going to push it up. Otherwise, no point. And that's it. And I'm going to see you in the next one. I love this.